ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
So, do you have someone recording your speech as well?
Yes.
Yes, cool. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Are you ready? Okay. So how many of you have maybe wanted to get into gardening or put something happy or green in your window, but you kill every plant you get? You're like, I'm so busy. Within a week, it's dead. Well, today I have the busy or lazy person solution to that problem, and I'm going to show you how to start a small succulent garden in a container. Succulents are really easy, hardy, attractive, unique plants that they're easy to grow. I'm going to go over 3 main points today, and that's just the materials you need, how to actually pot the plant, and a tiny bit about succulents themselves and how to take care of them. So all the stuff you need can be found in a hardware store or nursery. You're going to need some type of container. You can use anything as long as there's a hole in the bottom. I like to use terracotta because it's porous, it breathes easy, which allows the soil to kind of dry out between waterings. Next, you're going to need soil. You want to use a cactus mix. Because it's alkaline and well draining, do not use normal potting soil. It's too acidic for these kind of plants and will kill them. Next, you're going to want the plants themselves. There's actually 60 different plant families containing succulents. It's just a matter of preference, what you think looks the coolest. I'll show you really quickly the ones that I'm going to use today. Go ahead and go to the next slide. I have 4 echeverias and 2 sempervivums. Those are just the genus names. I have a Lola and Rundellii, Black Prince, Pearl von Nürnberg, Red Beauty, and a green wheel. And I don't know if I'll actually have the time to plant all of them today. I'll do my best. And then the next thing you might want is gloves and a shovel if you don't like getting your hands dirty. I might just use my hands, I don't know. Okay, so now how to actually pot the plants themselves. You're going to want to take your pot and fill it up with dirt about to where the bottom of the roots are going to be. I hope that I have enough dirt. I pray to God I do. So we'll do that. Yeah. Screw it. And you can kind of just measure where it's going to be by sticking it in there. I probably didn't have enough. That's okay. I'll fix it when I get home. And I'm sorry to the next person about the dirt that's going to be on this table. Okay, I'll clean it. Okay, to actually pot your plant, you're going to want to remove the plant from the container, of course. Gently squeeze the plastic so it kind of loosens it up, and just really gently pull it out. You don't want to kill it or anything. Next, you're going to sort of break up. This is called the root ball. You're just going to break it up. This gives it a little bit of a head start in establishing its new root system in the environment. So this one is not too root bound. I'm just going to kind of do a little bit. And then you just place it wherever in your pot that you want it. And I will do that for the rest of these. Ooh, this guy's really dry. I've had these for about a week, so they're a little bit dry. Ooh. They really needed to be planted. Oh yeah. See, like how all the roots are forming the shape of the container? That means it's root bound, and it really does need to be broken up. Otherwise it will choke itself. Let's see. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, and then the final step is just to fill it in. Oh gosh. I probably don't have enough again, but yeah, you want to fill it in around the plants. And then you're going to compress the soil. And again, I don't think I have enough, so I'm just going to do my best. Sorry. Ooh. This can be really messy. Okay, so that's good enough, and I'll fix it later. So next, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about succulents and how to take care of them. Webster's Dictionary defines a succulent as any plant with thick, fleshy leaves or stems designed for storing water. These are because these types of plants have adapted to arid, dry regions, so deserts. What that also means is when you care for them, you can actually overwater them. These kind of plants are prone to root rot. The Cactus and Succulent Society of San Jose says that you should water them about once a week during the growing season, so spring and fall once a week, a little less after they're established. Another thing is that because they are from the desert, they need a lot of light, so you want to put them in a really sunny window or bright spot in your yard. And one last thing that is really cool about these guys is that they're really easy to multiply or propagate. You can just pull the leaf off, and if you let it scar over, it'll start sprouting a new plant. So you can kind of fill your yard up with these guys for free. And that's about it. Today I showed you how to start a succulent garden in a container. I showed you the materials you needed, how to actually pot the plants, and a little bit about their care. And that's about it.